Welcome back to our channel. In a world where technology and innovation intertwine, a remarkable marvel has taken flight: drones. These futuristic aerial companions have revolutionized the way we see and interact with our environment. From capturing breathtaking vistas to performing complex tasks, drones have become an integral part of our modern lives. Join us as we embark on a journey through the dynamic realm of drones, exploring their incredible capabilities, diverse applications, and the top contenders that have caught our attention in 2023. Get ready to soar to new heights as we delve into the mesmerizing world of drones. In today's video, we're diving into the world of drones and counting down the top 5 must-have drones for 2023. Let's get started, starting off with the Dji Air 3. This drone is packed with features like 8K video recording, obstacle avoidance, and extended flight time, making it perfect for aerial photographers and videographers. Next up, we have the Vista Pro X9. With its 360-degree camera rotation, 40-minute flight time, and real-time 8K streaming, it offers an immersive flying. Moving on to the Gofly Nimbus Ultra, its foldable design, intelligent flight modes, and 6K camera capabilities make it a versatile and travel-friendly option. At number 4, we've got the Parrot EVA Vista VR. With its first-person view headset and intuitive controls, it's a great choice for beginners and experienced pilots. Last but not least, the Altel Nova X5 Pro. Its obstacle detection system, 8K video capabilities, and precise controls make it ideal for capturing cinematic shots. And there you have it, our top 5 drone picks for 2023. Whether you're a hobbyist or a content creator, these drones offer something for everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe for more drone-related content. Until next time, happy flying!